Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. Ram is the embodiment of Dharma. Yatha Abhyudayo Nisreyaso Siddhi Sa Dharmaha. One who lived according to the needs of the society and to the needs of inner quest. Such was the life of Sri Ramchandra Ji. Today we have been living in the modern world, modern society. In such a world, even today Ramchandra Ji is the role model for our youth of a country. If you would like to have full circle life, fully evolved life, along with the modern education, along with the mundane life, we should not forget about the spirituality, about the dharma. So this is the great message which we can. I am from Karnataka. Many thousands of devotees from Karnataka have come here. Service is prime motto of our people. Lord Hanuman from Karnataka who served Lord Rama. It's because of that it gives me an immense pleasure to be present. Lord Ram has taught three things to the world. Ultimately, if one would like to get a moksha, first and foremost thing is to know how to render selfless service to the society. Secondly, one who knows how to have devotion towards the society and elders. Second one is going to be fulfilled. Having served the society, being devoted to the society and elderly people and to the human society, if one doesn't know, if one doesn't have the jnana, the wisdom, pure knowledge, free from all affliction, such one is not going to get mukti. So these are the three philosophies which Lord Ram taught to the entire humanity. Such great Sri Ram's Mandir is going to be consecrated, is going to be unveiled, is going to be given to the world tomorrow. At this point of time, whole world is going to be happy. So having seen you all, I feel so happy. You all be blessed by Lord Ram. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Gurudev.
ಅನುಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ www.vistaranews.com ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.